Ever wondered how to make your trip to Japan smoother, less stressful, and packed with unforgettable experiences? Well, I've got you covered. Stay tuned for 20 travel tips that could change the way you explore Japan forever. Hey there, travel lovers! Welcome to Stories of Japan. If you're planning a trip to Japan and want to make the most of every moment, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 20 essential travel tips that will save you time, money, and stress. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned traveler, these tips are packed with insights to help you navigate Japan like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped with insider tips, from transportation hacks to cultural etiquette, that will make your trip unforgettable. Number 1. Best time to visit Japan. Choosing the right time to visit Japan is crucial. It's more than just about weather, it impacts your experience. Japan's high tourist season, especially in spring, cherry blossom season, can be crowded, while winter offers stunning snow landscapes with fewer tourists. Aim for late autumn, October to November, or early spring, March to early April, for milder weather and fewer crowds. These seasons also offer Japan's natural beauty at its best: gorgeous autumn leaves, or the soft pink hues of cherry blossoms. Number 2. Mastering Japan's trains like a pro. Japan's train system is a marvel of efficiency, but it can be overwhelming if you're not prepared. From the famous Shinkansen to local lines, there's a lot to consider. If you're planning to visit multiple cities, get the Japan Rail Pass. It's a great deal for long-distance travel and saves a lot of money. For city travel, use the IC cards, like Suica or Pasmo, for seamless access to trains, buses, and even convenience stores. And always check train schedules using apps like Japan Transit Planner or Google Maps. Number 3. Cash is king. But not always. Japan is still a cash-based society, especially in smaller towns, rural areas, or certain shops. But don't worry, credit cards are widely accepted in larger cities. Always carry cash for small transactions or in more remote areas. ATMs at 7-Eleven are the most reliable, and you can withdraw from there without any hassle. Consider getting Japan Post Bank or 7-Bank ATMs for easy access. Number 4. Avoiding the rush hour chaos. Rush hour in Japan, especially in Tokyo, can be an absolute nightmare. Trains are packed, and it's a real challenge to navigate through the crowds. Try to avoid the Yamanote line or any major commuter lines between 7:30 to 9 a.m. If you must travel during these hours, avoid carrying large luggage. Alternatively, consider taking a bus or taxi if your route isn't too long. Number 5. Convenience stores are your best friend. Japan's convenience stores, konbini, are not just for snacks. They're a one-stop shop for anything you might need. Whether it's a quick meal, toiletries, or even a surprise umbrella when it rains, konbini has you covered. 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson are your go-to spots. The quality of food, from onigiri, rice balls, to bento boxes, is excellent and affordable. You can even grab a refreshing drink or quick breakfast while on the go. Number 6. Understanding Japanese toilets. No need to fear. Japan is famous for its high-tech toilets, which can be a bit intimidating if you've never used them before. But once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the comfort. If you see a high-tech toilet, don't panic. There are usually instructions on the seat for how to use the bidet and all the functions. The heated seat is a lifesaver, especially in the winter months. Number 7. Mind your manners in public spaces. Japan places great importance on respect, especially in public spaces. Following basic etiquette will help you blend in and make a positive impression. Keep your voice down when speaking in public places, avoid talking on the phone in crowded areas, and always show respect to others. When visiting temples or shrines, remember to bow slightly as a sign of respect. Number 8. SIM cards versus pocket Wi-Fi. Staying connected while traveling in Japan is essential, but you have a few options: local SIM cards or portable Wi-Fi. If you need to stay connected all the time, rent a pocket Wi-Fi. It's portable, reliable, and you can share it with friends. However, if you're traveling light or only need occasional access, consider getting a SIM card at the airport or online before you leave. Number 9. Exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. While places like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka are must-see, Japan has countless hidden gems that will provide a much more tranquil and authentic experience. Consider visiting Takayama, Shirakawago, or Hida Furukawa for their charming streets, stunning landscapes, and peaceful atmosphere. These places allow you to experience the traditional Japan you've seen in movies without the overwhelming crowds. Number 10. Food etiquette. Slurp, don't apologize. Japanese food culture is an art, and there are certain rules to follow, especially when it comes to noodles. It's totally acceptable, and even expected, to slurp your noodles in Japan. It shows that you're enjoying the meal. Just remember not to stick your chopsticks upright in rice, as it resembles a funeral custom, which is considered bad luck. Number 11. How to use Japan's vending machines like a pro. Japan is known for its high-tech vending machines, which can be found everywhere, from train stations to alleyways. Make sure to try the hot drinks in the winter months, especially the canned hot coffee or soup. It's a perfect comfort during colder days. Don't be surprised if you find machines selling everything from fresh flowers to smartphone chargers. Pay attention to the small signs that explain how to select your item. Number 12. Savor the best sushi without breaking the bank. Sushi is a must-try in Japan, but there's no need to splurge at expensive restaurants unless you want to. Try conveyor belt sushi, kaiten sushi, for a fun and affordable experience. Sushiro and Genki Sushi offer great quality at budget-friendly prices. If you're craving sushi at a higher level, look for small sushi bars run by locals. Authenticity doesn't have to cost a fortune. Number 13. Japanese souvenirs. What to buy and where? Looking for the perfect souvenir to bring home? Japan offers unique keepsakes that go beyond the typical trinkets. Opt for traditional Japanese goods like furoshiki, decorative cloths, kokeshi dolls, or matcha-flavored treats. Asakusa in Tokyo and Gion in Kyoto are great spots for finding local, handcrafted items. Don't forget to look for traditional pottery, handmade knives, or regional fabrics, which make for special souvenirs. Number 14. Navigating the language barrier. Key phrases to know. While many people in Japan speak English, knowing a few basic phrases in Japanese will help you get around with ease. Here are some must-know phrases. Sumimasen, excuse me. Arigatou gozaimasu, thank you. Eigo wo hanasemasu kei? Do you speak English? Kore wa ikura desu ka? How much is this? Simple phrases like these can make interactions smoother and show respect for the culture. Number 15. How to avoid overcrowded tourist spots. Japan is a popular destination, but you don't have to deal with the crowds if you plan ahead. Avoid peak hours when visiting famous spots. For example, visit Fushimi Inari Shrine early in the morning before the masses arrive. Alternatively, explore lesser-known gems like Eikendo Zenrinji in Kyoto or Kawago near Tokyo for a quieter, more authentic experience. Number 16. The best apps for travel in Japan. In a tech-savvy country like Japan, there's an app for everything, and using the right ones can make your trip smoother. Download these essential apps before your trip. Japan Transit Planner for train schedules and routes. Google Maps for directions and local recommendations. Japan Travel by Navitime for navigating buses, public transport, real-time updates, and useful info about restaurants, attractions, and more. Number 17. How to respect temples and shrines. When visiting temples and shrines in Japan, it's important to understand the cultural practices that show respect. Tip: before entering a temple, cleanse your hands and mouth at the temizuya, water basin. When approaching a shrine, bow slightly before offering prayers. Never point your feet at sacred objects and be quiet during your visit. Understanding these simple customs will enhance your experience. Number 18. Tipping in Japan. What you need to know. Tipping is not a custom in Japan and can even be seen as rude in certain situations. Tip. Instead of tipping, show appreciation by saying "arigatou gozaimasu." Thank you. Exceptional service is already expected, and workers are proud of their craft. In restaurants, leave a positive review instead, or consider a small gift for staff to express gratitude. Number 19. Hidden sites in Kyoto. You need to see. Kyoto is known for its famous temples and shrines, but there are lesser-known gems that offer an equally enriching experience. Check out Kiyomizu-dera's hidden temple gardens or the quiet, serene streets of Higashiyama. For a peaceful retreat, Philosopher's Path offers stunning views during cherry blossom season, but is often less crowded than the main temples. These locations offer a more intimate Kyoto experience. Number 20. How to pack for Japan based on the season. Packing for Japan requires some thought because the weather can change drastically depending on the season. For spring and autumn, layer up and bring a light jacket, as temperatures can fluctuate. In summer, pack light, breathable clothing, but don't forget an umbrella for unexpected rain showers. Winter calls for heavier clothing, including a warm coat, gloves, and scarves, especially in colder regions like Hokkaido. If you found these tips helpful and are excited to make your Japan trip unforgettable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insider advice and travel guides. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your travel buddies, and let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try.